Hey there, tech fans. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in gaming PCs. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the EXCaliberPC 2026 MSI Titan, a beast of a machine that promises to take your gaming experience to new heights. First off, let's talk about the display. This 18-inch UHD Plus screen is a real showstopper. What does UHD Plus mean? Simply put, it means this screen can show up to 3840 by 2400 pixels. That's crazy high resolution for a monitor of its size. And with HD or 1000 Mini LED technology, you'll get stunning colors and contrast that'll make your games look absolutely breathtaking. Plus, the 240Hz refresh rate ensures silky smooth motion, making those fast-paced games feel even more immersive. But what really sets this display apart is its color accuracy. DCI P3 coverage means it can show a wider range of colors than most monitors, resulting in more vivid and lifelike visuals. And with a 100% DCI P3 color gamut, you'll get to see every detail in your games, from the brightest highlights to the deepest shadows. Now let's talk graphics. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 is an absolute powerhouse of a card. With 24 GB of GDDR5 memory and 24 cores at its disposal, this baby can handle even the most demanding games with ease. And with features like ray tracing and DLSS, deep learning supersampling, you'll get incredible performance and visuals that'll make your jaw drop. But what's really interesting about this card is how it handles different resolutions. With the ability to output up to 8K at 60 Hz, or 4K at 120 Hz, you can take full advantage of this card's capabilities and play games in resolutions that most people wouldn't even dream of. And with NVIDIA's advanced AI-enhanced rendering tech, you'll get to see every detail in your games, from the tiniest textures to the subtlest ambient effects. Now let's talk about performance. The Intel Core Ultra 9 290HX Plus processor is a real workhorse. With 24 cores and 36 MB of cache memory, it can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. And with its ability to boost up to 5.5 GHz, you'll get lightning-fast performance that'll make your games feel even more responsive. But what's really interesting about this processor is how it handles different workloads. With its advanced Intel Smart Cache, you'll get improved performance in games that rely heavily on cache. Think multiplayer titles or fast-paced first-person shooters. And with its 2.7 to 5.5 GHz range, you'll be able to squeeze every last bit of performance out of this machine. Now let's talk about memory and storage. This machine comes equipped with a whopping 128 GB of DDR5 RAM. That's twice the amount of most gaming PCs. And with 64 GB of that memory allocated to each processor core, you'll get incredibly smooth performance in games that rely heavily on RAM. Plus, the 6 TB hard drive is stocked with both Gen 5 and Gen 4 NVMe SSDs, giving you lightning-fast storage for your games and apps. But what's really interesting about this storage setup is how it handles different types of files. With its dual SSD design, you'll get to enjoy faster loading times in games and applications, as well as improved overall performance. And with the ability to access both Gen 5 and Gen 4 NVMe SSDs, you'll have all the flexibility you need to play your favorite games. Now let's talk about networking. This machine comes equipped with a 2.5 GBE LAN port and killer Wi-Fi 7B1750, giving you incredibly fast internet speeds and reliable connectivity. Plus, Bluetooth 5.4 ensures seamless connectivity between devices. Finally, let's talk about ports. With 2 Thunderbolt 5 ports, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, and a RJ45 port, you'll have all the connectivity options you need to connect your favorite peripherals or external monitors. So there you have it. The EXCaliberPC 2026 MSI Titan is an absolute powerhouse of a machine that promises to take your gaming experience to new heights. With its stunning display, incredible graphics card, and lightning-fast performance, this machine has everything you need to take on even the toughest challenges. And with its competitive pricing and generous warranty, it's hard to resist. So what do you think? Are you ready to upgrade your gaming setup? Be sure to check out the link below for the best price on this incredible machine.